Semi-final contest as we get underway here in Mongo.
High ground.
Mamelodi Sundowns went for your man of the match as well. Do that from now all the way up until the 75th minute. Marumo Gallants looking to,
because it will lead to mistakes.
speaking of, there was a rare error from Marumo. Now, when it previously won it just once at Super Sport 10 years ago now. Nothing comes of that particular set piece. Yeah, correct.
Para. I win. Oh.
Nice idea from Ribeiro. He is still in play here with Billy Somodal. Sets himself for the cross.
Leadership, of course. Washington Arubi.
Then comes the corner. Peter Shalilile gets it. Obas is right on top of him. An opportunity now for Ikram Reyners. Finding Allende. Ribeiro on the move. Players in the box. Behind the clouds now. Evening. Dr. Molamela Stadium in some lights. Says Ronan Williams is forced to sprawl. Just the one goal for him so far this season. The winner in the league against Amazulu. What an effort this is, Brian.
It's the 10 as well. The pass that he gets, the intention that he's got, the technique. I think it was out, but
out from the corner. Gallants put it in low. Still not cleared. Rushed towards goal. Receiving from Mokoena. And promptly dispossessed. Now they need numbers to get upfield as swiftly as possible. Yes, Shy. English fans. Decent looking corner. This is why he started his career here. Buyum Sutu and their Free State Stars. Swiftly they get up the field, Marumo Gallants. And across field, excellent ball. Switching a lot of pace on that. Ronan Williams makes a point-blank save. Oh, elite reflexes
from Ronan Williams as well. Look at this. Just needed a touch. Just touch. This makes it even difficult, but he's quite sharp. Look at how he recovers.
Was low into the wall. As Chipper coach against Indian semi-final in 2016, 1-0 loss. Sindani tries to work some space.
To the back, it doesn't have the outlet, but he could find ways like they're doing now.
Wow.
Joined in the national team by teammates Williams, Dow, Quena, Obas, Reyners. Not Gronke kinda, dropped from the danger. Quena. Ribeiro. Great feet from the Brazilian. And here comes the cross for Shalilile. It's something on it. Looking pretty early, whoever. And predicted 17 minutes. Oh, now an opportunity for Shalilile.
Look at it. He's offside. He's offside. You're offside. Doesn't matter what it is.
I mean, it definitely Sindani loses out to Ribeiro. Allende. That was on the move. Win for Sundowns. Not finding it easy going here against Gallants as we enter into additional time at the end of this half. Need to clear it away. Ribeiro. Oh, tangling with the Bambanisos all over him again.
He is struggling to contain it. He's been the busiest on the side of Marumo Gallants and Bambaniso.
Straight into the hand, referee says, handball, penalty.
Our referee! Our referee! Our referee! Our referee!
And he knows.
Our referee! Our referee!
Best few minutes of the second half, in the first half where they did well.
Ayo.
man.
Yo, penalty.
He missed penalties. I don't remember.
Lucas Ribeiro.
Top quality. Lucas Ribeiro with his first of the Carling knockout this season. A competition, and now for a team that defends as well as they do, 1 foot in the final.
That's a definite handball. As for this, sorry, my brother. Of course, we've been engaging in talks to say, we've read statements to say, here's a replacement for Zwane. Now that he's out for the longest period for the national team. Can he be the one? Look at that.
Combination onto it. To Danny.
Fucking bola.
Shaya! Energy here.
Ooh.
Curled over by Reyners. Ribeiro cushions it back into the path of Vikram Reyners. Midway point in the first half. Vikram Reyners lifts it in. Grant Kekana has a goal.
Oh, step boy.
Steals
Step
it away.
boy.
Manaka. Can't
We
get it
say
out.
it.
This is old boss. Ribeiro Costa.
Bona mota. Lucas Ribeiro maquetada.
So what's the difference with the Sundowns team of the first half and the second half now? It's because he's coming deep from the midfield.
Reyners and Arubi.
Catch the nose. Mago.
One nice ball in the end, actually. Reyners delivers. Aka, intercepted by Wishiko.
You go there. What can
Goes in on goal.
It's across the goalkeeper.
It's all about placement. Look at the space on the left-hand side. Even though it is through the eye of a little, that's what you're supposed to be able to do. But when you play straight up to game, it's not gonna
Guarantee Sundowns a spot in the final. Ikram Reyners step through here for Peter Shelolile. Back to Reyners. Everybody Mahango's on for Monia Pambanisa, by the way. Here's Kalisa Madao. Drives into the box. Oh, man. Kept alive on the flank by Tlutlu. Swing it out wide. Something developing here for Marumo Gallants. Some space here for Manaka. Still not clear. The two centre halves collide. Something to knock them out. Ribeiro threading it through here for Shalile. Ashik. First involvement here for Letla. Brilliant brace against Rise and Shine.
the young man at Orlando Pirates.
Space for them here. Ribeiro just too strong for Salles. That's
It's panicking.
yeah, there's depth. City first appeared 5 years ago. Not good look. Williams 20 minutes to try and influence things. A goal here would send us into extra time as it's taken low. Archer, Letlaku for Allende, and Salles, and Letlaku, and now Maema! Mamelodi Sundowns, and through to the final in style.
There who was coming to put them under pressure. The patience, they had rotation. Look at this. There could have been sense of agency. No, we still have time, guys. Let's go on. And yes, now it's time to pull the trigger because these guys are not alert to the danger that we pose. Let's punish them. And that's exactly what they do. That's a thing.
A trip back to Bloom in a fortnight's time where they will take on Magesi FC.